Here we have the BISSELL ProHeat Revolution Pet Pro Plus. This steam cleaner, in my opinion, is so great, primarily because it does steam clean the floors, but it also has the hose attachment that you can plug in and use the attachments that come with it to do your furniture as well. And when you have pets, you know that that's one of the main things you're going to need it for, is to make sure you can clean up any stains. And also when you have toddlers spilling things on your couches, this attachment head is going to be a piece that really comes into handy. You just click it on just like this, and then this piece plugs into the top of the machine here, and I'll show that here in just a minute for you. The top tank is for the water and the solution, and it's really easy to fill the solution just by plugging that into the top there. And you can take the water tank off like this, unplug the tank to fill it with water, and just slide that back on. The bottom piece for the brush roller is easy to clean because the top main piece detaches in one easy press of the button, and it comes off so you can clean the brush roller. And then another great thing about this steam cleaner is that it does have max mode, deep clean mode, and express clean mode. So you can change the setting according to what kind of clean you're going to be doing. Mine is a little bit wet because I tried to clean it. The one downside I would say about this machine is this top little thin section here is a little hard to clean, and let me show you that real quick. So when you're gonna go clean it, there's two green buttons here on the top that you're gonna press to remove. You're gonna press these two buttons at the same time to remove this piece. And it's hard for me to do that and hold the camera, but it just comes off just like that. So you're able to clean these brush rollers very easily. Like I said, the only downside is this thin section here where it's gonna suck in the water. If you have any dog hair left on your floor, it's gonna bring it up in there, and that does leave this piece a little dirty and harder to clean. However, that doesn't really affect the clean that it's doing, the job that it's doing. The brush rollers are easy to detach and clean, and that's the biggest perk. Push that back on like that. Wanting to attach the hose, you're just gonna lift this piece, grab the hose attachment, and plug that in here just like so. And then you're ready to use the hose attachment instead of the whole big machine. And if you want to empty your dirty water tank, you're just gonna pull down on that and empty from that black spout there. I'd suggest emptying that into your toilets, not into your sink. It also has the clean shot option here. Here is your clean shot button. You can step on with your foot, and it will spot treat any areas that you're needing to do, which is a huge advantage. And here's your on and off switch, and here's your cord. Wraps up for neat and tidy storage. The cord is also a decent length long, so you're not having to unplug and plug it back in, depending on how much surface area you're trying to clean with.